Hey there everyone, No DMAA here coming at you with a how to play a Great Legends sneak peek event, or any sneak peek for Digimon. So this is a Digimon video. I'm coming at you with this video because I've noticed a lot of people don't know how to do the sneak peek event for Digimon. And we didn't know either, me and my buddies were trying to figure out yesterday actually, we were talking about it, and we were like, then we saw this, like, we appreciate your support for Card Ass Club. Unfortunately, we have not created a manual for sealed tournaments for Digimon cards. For Digimon card games, we apologize for any inconvenience, but please wait for the official website update this week for the pre-release tournament. So, I think they finally did it. They updated it. They gave us this. Another friend shared it this morning, so I was like, a lot of people probably don't know this. So let's share it. I put this document in the link, and so everyone can get to it. So let's go into it. Digimon card game sealed format rules. Experience the fun of sealed format. In sealed format, players each open a set number of booster packs from specific sets and build their decks using only the cards they open. Unlike standard play, you can ignore color when digivolving cards. Only level and digivolution costs matter, and there are special rules for deck building. So suggested packs to use: 6 packs. Each participant should use the same number of packs. This says 6, but I think they're giving us 8. So I think that's okay. So I think that's just a number. Deck construction rules. After opening 6 packs, players build a 40 card deck and a 0 to 5 Digi-Egg deck. There are no banned or restricted cards, and players can include as many copies of cards with the same number card as they like. There is no 4-card limit, and 5 or more copies of a card with the same card number can be included in decks. Any cards left over from deck construction are treated as sideboard cards. Ooh, a sideboard! Suggested match format. Use a Swiss draw format to match players with the closest win rates. Sideboards. Cards not used in decks are treated as sideboards. In between games, players can exchange cards in their deck with cards in their sideboard. So that's pretty cool. We have sideboards in between rounds, so we can figure out like if this deck works or not. This is gonna make my creative brain go depending on my polls. Players can exchange as many cards between deck and sideboard as they like, as long as they have a legal number of cards in their deck and Digi-Egg deck. Keeping cards. Players can keep any cards they open in packs. Special game rules. Oh, that's nice that we can keep cards. Oh, yay. Special game rules. In sealed format games, players can ignore Digivolution color requirements. Example, if a Digimon's Digivolution requirements are red level 3 Digimon for Digivolution cost of 2, a player can Digivolve onto any level 3 Digimon for Digivolution cost of 2 regardless of color. So that's nice, so that way we don't have to match. God damn, that's gonna make the game nuts for sneak peek. Oh shit. Color can only be ignored for standard Digivolutions. But that makes sense for sealed event because your polls could screw you over if you don't have the matching colors and stuff. Color requirements in card text and for option cards still apply though. Oh, okay, yeah, so that's obvious. Yeah, if the text says it, and then the option rule still applies, so you need the same color to play that option card. Okay, that makes sense. Color requirements still apply when digivolving hybrids onto tamers. That kind of matters, yeah, because we're going to Great Legends, so hybrids are coming. Or when digivolving via card effect. Okay, yeah, as long as the text says you have to digivolve into a red, you have to digivolve into a red. However, when digivolving via card effect, if no color is specified by the effect, color requirements can be ignored. Okay, yeah, as long as like I just said, as long as it doesn't say in the text a color is specified, then ignore it for the sneak peek. Example, digivolve your Agumon into one Agumon Bond the Bravery in your hand for its digivolution cost, ignoring its level, doesn't specify a color. So you can digivolve using a Agumon of any color. Only applies for sealed format of games. Okay, this is nice. Now I'm really excited for the sneak peek. Now I can get out of the lab because I was trying to build a deck because I heard that we didn't know the rules. So I was like, okay, we might actually do constructed instead. So I was getting a deck ready, but now that we know the rules, I'm like, holy crap! I can't wait to deck profile my sneak peek deck, whatever I pull. That's coming now. That's exciting. So yeah, and I heard a lot of people didn't know, couldn't find this, and it probably didn't exist. That's why, because of this here. So it didn't exist. So now it probably exists. now exists. I mean, it not probably. It does exist. So it's right here. I put the link, like I said, in the beginning of the video. It's in the description box. So if you need to get to this, it's there. It's there. I got you. And then I'll probably print out a bunch of these for my locals, so they can just read it over real quick. So yeah, that's all I got for you. I didn't plan to have a video this soon for Digimon, but since we just got this, I thought I'd spread this as soon as I can, because we need to know. All right, thanks so much, and I'll see you all next time.